We are matching a fabulous Mexican classic dish with a fabulous cocktail made with the Gran Centenario Añejo tequila. To go along with the fired up chipotle shrimp, we're making a tangerine chile Gran Paloma. Two classics with a little spin that goes so well together. You know what paloma is? Paloma is dove. Do you pronounce dove? Dove? Dove. Dove. Okay. Gran Paloma is like the greatest of doves. I'm gonna use the Gran Centenario Añejo tequila, which is caramelly and it is smooth, it's sleek, it's very full-bodied. And to make this tangerine chile Gran Paloma, we're gonna make a chile de árbol agave syrup. I'm gonna add 3/4 cups of water, about a cup of the agave syrup. The agave is gonna make a match with the tequila, which is also made with the agave. And we're adding 6 chiles de árbol. It has a very, very smoky taste and it's spicy. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes to simmer and reduce a little bit and to get the flavor of the chile de árbol. So I'll put this one aside and I'll let it cool, but I have one that I already made, which is right here. 2 ounces of the añejo, an ounce of the chile de árbol syrup. I like my Gran Paloma on the sweeter side, but you can tailor to your taste. 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, 2 ounces of fresh squeezed tangerine juice, just a few cubes of ice, and then we're gonna rim our glass. And here we go. And now we're gonna top it with, use your favorite sparkling water or seltzer. It's gonna give it a nice bubbly finish. I love bubbles in my drinks. It is bubbly and fresh and citrusy and sweet. I can taste the chile de árbol syrup and it goes so well with the caramelly notes of the añejo tequila. This is so bright, so happy. I have a phenomenal dish for you today. We're making chipotle shrimp, which is a classic fired up Mexican dish. I have my pan here set at medium high and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to season my shrimp with some salt and pepper. Very few ingredients go in this dish. I'm gonna mix it up. Right as my butter melts, I'm adding the shrimp. You wanna add enough shrimp so that you have your pan covered, but you don't wanna add too much because you don't want the shrimp to get watery. You want the shrimp to sear. This is ingredient number 2, 1 garlic clove, and I'm gonna finely chop. And I'm gonna flip my shrimp. You wanna flip them when they're browned. Oh, beautiful. Add the garlic. I'm adding the smooth tequila blanco, the Gran Centenario. You wanna add 1/4 cup of tequila and you want it to flame. I did that on purpose. The tequila will deglaze the pan, so it will get all of the brown bits of the shrimp that have cooked in the brown butter. It gives it a little bit of moisture, but you're getting the taste and the essence of the plata tequila, the citrusy kind of vanilla almond notes, but you're not gonna taste the alcohol from the tequila. You don't wanna overcook the shrimp, but it's not overcooked because we browned it and then we added the tequila. Why am I saying that? You just saw me do that. And now I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of Mexican crema. It's tangy, it's slightly salty. If you don't find Mexican crema, you can use creme fraiche or heavy cream. And then I'm adding like 2 generous tablespoons of chipotles in adobo sauce. These are minced. You could use just the sauce or the chopped chiles. I'm just adding everything that's in here because we love the chipotle taste at home. This fired up chipotle shrimp is really good for so many things. This could be an appetizer, or this can be a main meal if you wanna eat it with a side of rice or even on top of pasta. You want it to be saucy, but you want it to be like thick saucy, because it looks super tasty. And a little bit of chives. And the great thing about this is how much flavor it has. Such few ingredients, and yet it's so rich and bold. I can taste the tequila, the plata in there, and just chasing these with these, a classic, with a classic, like you just can't go wrong.